Namaste everyone. Welcome to the social studies class. Today let us discuss the topic latitudes and longitudes. This is the in part of globe lesson. This is the part 2. In part 1 we have discussed about the globe. This is the model of the earth's motion, rotation. We discussed rotation and revolution. It takes the round, it moves around the sun is called revolution. Rotation causes day and night, and revolution causes seasons. These are all the things we have discussed, and we discussed the directions also. Just say this is the north, south, east, west. So these are all the things we have discussed. So once again, one more point also, the center of the earth on which it rotates, that is called axis. So in first part, these are all the things we have discussed. Now let us discuss. If you observe the globe closely, you can see some lines here. These are called imaginary lines. These two types of, one vertical shape, some lines you will find on the globe, and horizontally also you can. So two types of lines you will find. So these two are called. For example, now this is a vertical shape, vertical line. So this is the vertical line. So these vertical lines on the globe is called longitudes. Which are long lines is called longitudes. Now these are the horizontal circles you can see on the globe. So these horizontal circles, and these are also called parallels. These are also called parallels because they won't crisscross each other. So this one circle and down one circle, like this, all circles one by one will be there. So they won't meet again. So these are called circles. So these circles are called latitudes. So these are the circles of parallels and circles of latitude, we can say. These vertical lines are called, these are longitudes. So longitudes run north to south. This is called north. This is south, you know very well. And this is east. And here you can see west. So the latitude at 0 degrees, for example, if you take circle, it is 0 degree. 0 degree, the latitude is called equator. Equator is the latitude which divides the earth into two equal parts. For example, now you can see this is the equator. This equator divides the earth into two equal parts. So southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere. This northern half, southern half. South side, southern hemisphere. This north part is called northern hemisphere. So this line, so equator is dividing the earth into two equal parts. So here to here sum. For example, if total circle 360 degrees. So this one side 180 degrees. So here equator locates at 0 degrees. So 0 degrees to northern hemisphere. From equator at 0 degrees to 90 degrees. This is southern hemisphere. 90 degrees and 90 degrees south is called southern hemisphere. 90 degrees N northern hemisphere. So this is the degree about the equator. This equator is a circle This is also latitude, and we can say parallels, circles. Okay. Now longitude are not circles, not parallels. All the circles will be 360 degrees. Okay. But here longitudes always we can see north to south. Okay. And here also these are called meridians. Meridians. When earth moves towards the sun like this, and the sunlight falls on this. So all meridian. So whichever the meridian is there, totally at the sunlight falls here to here. Okay. So this is called a day. The sunlight falls on meridians. There we can see day, midday. Okay. So you can see that, and backside you can see anyway that is night time. Okay. Like this, you can see two imaginary lines once again. So these are imaginary lines, latitudes, and these are circles, latitudes, circles, and parallels. Okay, and these are horizontal lines. These are vertical lines. Main line is called prime meridian. This is called prime meridian. So the prime meridian, the main one will be prime meridian, you can say. So prime meridian to here, this side 180 degrees, and this side, eastern side 180 degrees. 180 degrees E means east, 180 degrees east, and 180 degrees west for this. Okay, so same 180, totally 360 degrees like this it will come. So main things you have to observe. We learned two types of imaginary lines, latitudes, longitudes. Latitudes run like this, west to east. These are called circles, parallels. Longitudes run north to south. These are called meridians. Okay. So next, one more thing. This middle line is called equator. Okay. Equator is the 0 degree. It locates at 0 degree. So 0 degrees to 23.5 degrees north. Here to 23.5 degrees north is called the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. And here to again 66.5 degrees north. 66.5 degrees north is total range. So up to here, this is 23 and 66.5. This region is called Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. Again in the same way, equator to southern hemisphere side. Southern 23.5 degrees. 23.5 degrees south. Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. This region is called Tropic of Capricorn. And here 23 degrees, again 66 degrees, 66.5, 66.5 degrees south is Antarctic Circle. So totally this is Antarctic Circle. So this is the Arctic Circle. Okay, and why? Because here totally, here to here, we can see the temperature more. This region to this total region, we will have the more temperature from the sun. Okay, and here to here, northern side and Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle, we will not see that much temperature. So that is the reason this totally icy area. This area we can see totally icy area. So these are the main points we learnt today, and some more points we discuss time being. Okay children, so you read the lesson, understand, try to understand. If you have any doubts, you can call us. Okay, you can contact us. All the best, children. May God bless you.